everybody, this is Jen from Scrapping Posh, and I'm here today. I'm going to show you a kit from a friend of mine on the Facebook group Scrapaholics Not So Anonymous, and I'm going to leave her contact information in the description below. So first I'm going to share the kit as it is, and then I will make a project out of it, and then I'll share that journal with you too. So it is a junk journal kit, and the items that come in the kit may vary, but the precedence is the same. So the kit is $30. And then because of the 12 by 12 paper, it comes in this flat rate box for $13.75 shipping. So for $30 for the kit, $13.75 for shipping. And she can put up to 3 kits in a box. So if you wanted to, more than one kit, if you wanted to share, then you only have to pay shipping one time. So what happened is that she was going to have a retreat, a scrapbooking retreat, and this was going to be the kit they were using, but because of medical reasons she had to cancel after she had already purchased the product. So now she has excess kits, and so that's what happened. So let's go through and show you guys, and then like I said, I'll make a junk journal from this kit, adding some of my own supplies in, of course. So I'm going to start with the big stuff. Each kit is going to come with some 12 by 12 pattern paper. Looks like we have a light American Crafts, which is nice for the junk journal. And like I said, these things can change throughout the, the different patterns and such. This is a heavy cardstock with a pattern on it in pink. So I'm getting a Shabby Chic vibe from this. It's a double-sided American Crafts one, a black and white flower, and this side is a in this particular kit I have like a, what do they call it? Music. It's not a script, a scale, not a scale, I can't remember what it's called. And then I got some pink double dot, so definitely Shabby Chic, and I believe all the kits are Shabby Chic. Michelle Edmonds is, I'll put the link, I'll put her contact information below. She's going to be the one who is heading this up, so if if you have any questions, ask. So it looks like we have some cardstock here. I don't know, it looks like 1, 2, 3, 5 pieces of cardstock, and it's probably 60 gram and 60 GSM, and it's a really smooth paper, so I'm liking this for stamping and or coloring. I have some nice pale pinks in my stash. I have some pink copy paper, or maybe even lighter. It's very light, and it almost looks like linen, but I don't think it is. So I don't know, I got about 8 sheets of that, some pink copy paper, and then I got 2 sheets of 8.5 by 11 vellum. So very nice. I can run these through my printer and print things on them, or you can just use them as is. Like I said, I am going to use some stuff that I already have for this. It's kind of the idea behind it. Here's a large pink polka dot bag. It's nice. We have a large craft bag. A large doily, 2 large doilies, a small lunch, not a lunch size bag, but it's like a lunch bag, so in the smaller size though. We have a long, like a legal size envelope, maybe a policy size envelope. This one says Wilson Sporting Goods Company. So a little bit of ephemera in there. We have a, looks like a cutout. It says life story and then name, nickname, birthplace, birthday, father, mother. So some ancestry. Looks like a couple pieces of, or a few pieces of note or list paper with some nice designs on it. I have 2 different kinds of tickets. 10 of each. Looks like this is a little envelope. And it does have a adhesive on it. I'm going to put those in this big envelope so that they stay flat. Okay, we have some smaller doilies. Looks like 3 Office Max, looks like time punch cards, so that's neat. Guest checks, a few of those. So this is, I mean, this is like original stuff here. Have a small craft bag with a design on it, and a vellum bag, or a glassine bag rather, and it looks like it's been embossed. That's a great idea. See that? Okay, and we have like a shipping or packing list holder from shipping. And then let's go into the embellishments. Oh, hang on. There is a 2 4x6 pocket protectors. So if you can get your imagination running, you can think of ways to use this. We have some gauze, which there's a couple different ways to use this. I use this actually for binding on my book so that it doesn't fall apart when I do junk journals, and you can use this as Michelle intended it, to make flowers, and I haven't learned how to do that yet, but I will, and once I figure it out, I'll show you guys. So we have some gauze. Looks like, oh, several different flowers. We have some small pink flowers with pearls in the middle, and some tags, some printed tags, and then some large white flowers, which I thought this was one big flower, but it's not, so that's, I mean, we can use it either way. And then we get some string here for the tags, I think. So there's one goodie bag full of embellishments. So this is a good haul. I mean, I've seen less for more, and there's a lot of different things that we can do with this. So I'm excited to show you guys what I come up with, and if any of you guys get one of these, I'm excited to see what you come up with too. Of course, you don't have to use it all in one place either. So here's I think everything came unstuck. There's because they're so heavy, a large resin rose, and a large resin bird, and a small, there's looks like 4 small roses, 1 medium rose, and then 2 different flowers. strand of pink pearls, a strand of white pearls, and a wood veneer heart. I'm not sure. I think if I used these two, because they are so big, I think I would put them on the spine. So I'm not sure yet. If it was a mini album, I'd put it on the front cover and then surround it by other flowers, but I'm not sure. I mean, I guess I could do the same thing. I like the little pearls. Okay, another bag of goodies. We have some puzzle pieces. And I can't remember what this is called right now, bag with some glass beads in it. I like using these to make magnets out of. Zoom you guys in. Organza, that's what that is. Little organza pink bag, cute. There is a paper clip with a flower on it. It looks handmade. I like that. Let's see here. Looks like a lot of small tidbits here. We got some, there's a Julie Nutting wood veneer. We have some small, well, there's a button. Looks like some handmade roses. Pink die cuts. Gold die cuts. Like acetate. This looks like a wax seal. More little ephemera pieces. I'm just gonna zoom you in, you guys. Sorry, my desk is dirty. And you don't need to see that. Okay, there we go. We have some more flowers, some more die cuts. Buttons. There's a cute brad like the Eiffel Tower. Have some brown and like pink. It almost feels like twine or hemp, but not quite as rigid. There's some, I forgot you guys were zoomed out. Sorry, lace. lace, and there's about 20 inches of the lace, or the laces there. It's about a foot of this ribbon. Here's a white ribbon, about a foot of it, and some seam binding, lots of seam binding. Some like a tan eyelash trim, a polka dot, a brighter pink, thick ribbon, a thinner ribbon with a brighter pink, lots of that. We have some more eyelash trim. This pink crochet trim. The darker brown eyelash trim and a cream eyelash trim. A pink, it's got like, I don't know, hangy things, like tassels hanging off of it. And then the last piece of the puzzle here is this trim. I'm not sure what to call that. You could actually trim this gold piece off, or this piece up here off, and then just let it hang. Or you can use it like this. Okay, guys, so that's the kit. Again, the kits are $30 each with $13.75 shipping. she is more than willing to ship 3 kits all in one box. So combined shipping for $13.75 for up to 3 kits. So if there's 3 of you, you can always combine shipping. And yeah, so that's it. And stay tuned. I'll review this a little bit more, and I'll show you what I do with mine. Again, it's going to be some sort of junk journal. So, well, thanks a lot, and I'll leave the contact information in the box below. Again, it's for a friend from the Facebook group Paper Crafting Swapaholics. Not so anonymous. Okay, so anyways, the link will be below. We thank you a lot. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.